Hey guys, Fly here. I just wanted to say, this past weekend, my life has sucked over this past weekend because I've been just sick and I'm just coughing and hacking and just sneezing my head off. My trash can, it's pretty big and it's already overflowing with, snot rags. And I don't know, it's driving me crazy. So obviously, today, by the title, I'm going to show you how fast I can solve this Rubik's Cube. Now, obviously, it's already solved, and, yeah, I've already solved it a bunch of times. So I wanted to show you how fast I can solve it. I'm just going to mix it up first. So, God, I can never get this stupid iPad in view. There we go, that's a little bit better. So, it's about 10 o'clock for me right now, and I'm like only 13. Yeah, 13. I can't even remember my own damn age. And so my parents are kind of, rrr, so they'll probably get upset if they see me up. And you know what I believe? It's not wrong until you get caught, or it's not wrong. I don't know, whatever. Iron. Mrr. So I'm just mixing it up. And I am not mixing this up in any way at all. I swear to God I'm not. I'm just randomly mixing it. And, this way I'm solving it, I actually learned from some YouTube video because, isn't that what everybody does? Just go on YouTube and just get a Rubik's Cube, just casually type in how to solve Rubik's Cube. I'm actually supposed to be doing my homework, but I'm like, fuck it. Like a fucking YouTube video. And I don't know, I saw this one YouTube video about this guy. I'm obviously not gonna say his name. I know his name, but I'm not saying it. Because he'll probably fucking yell at me if he ever sees this video. And also, I don't know, I just don't want to say bad things about him. He called it unsolving, which I don't understand why he calls it that. And he actually uses the same method I use. I'm like, really? And he says, there's no algorithm. I'm like, yeah, there. He's like, for this next algorithm. I'm like, really? He said there are no algorithms. How stupid are you? So, I think this is mixed up enough. Wait, got 3 blues in a row. Yeah, when I mix, I kind of get a little picky because I want more of a challenge. So I try not to get 2 colors right beside each other or 3 colors. Because I think that's more of a challenge. Yeah, I don't know why I called it unsolving. It's really, really, I don't know, he talks really fast like he's on freaking steroids, and this is back to the YouTube video. Either he's talking extremely fast, or he sped up the video, which he sped up the video. So, I gotta remember, okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and solve it. Actually, if I get my other iPad, I actually got a Rubik's Cube timer app. Yeah. See it right there? Oh, Jesus, it's backwards. Fucking fail. Just right there. Boop. And this is actually similar to what the actual thing looks like, but instead you put your, it's like the actual timer, it's like a little bar, flat bar-like thing, and it's just lay down and you put your hands on it instead of your fingertips, because it's obviously not fast. You put your hands on there on for at least 2 seconds, and then once the 2 seconds is up, you just go whenever you want. So, actually, if I get on here, it says I've already done it twice today. My first time I did it, I got a minute 44. Then the second time, I got a minute 36. So the mean or the average, it says 140. Not 140, a minute 40. So honestly, I think that's pretty good for me. So, actually, I don't know if the camera will fix that. Probably won't. So, I obviously can't show it to you. I'm just gonna put that right there and show you that it is counting down. I'll leave it over here in the background. I'll make a video on, oh, Jesus. How much? Does not tell you. Jesus, 5%. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. I better hurry then. Here. Let me just mix this up a little bit more. Sorry, it kind of goes out of frame. It's best as I can get it. Like I said. No, I have seen some other videos. My camera, I do not have the correct cord for it, and actually I have a correct cord for it, but there's a short in it, so it'll like plug in and stuff. Like the phone will register that it's plugged up to a computer, but the computer won't register that it's plugged up to a camera. So I gotta get an actual cord for that. So actually, you know what I think we're gonna do? I'm gonna cover it up with a blanket. Stick my arms underneath. I swear I'm not looking at it. There's no way I can see this at all. I'm not kidding you. I'm folded under. So I'll just mix this up because I want to make this as real as possible. Here, look, go back. I'm trying to make this as real as possible, so I have no clue how it's mixing up. Oop, it's uncovering. I don't want to see it. It's uncovering. Why does it keep doing? Okay. Yeah, I want to go to the Rubik's Cube meetup thingy kebabber, whatever you call that, and ignore that noise if you can hear it in the background. It's just my heater, because there's like no insulation in this room, and it gets freezing at night, so I have to have that heater. Okay, I think this is good. I really honestly have no clue what it looks like. So, let's place it down. Let's reveal it. Well, this just turned into a magic show. Oh, never mind. It's in the blanket. So, I'll look over it real quickly. And I won't tell you my secret yet. I'll show you to you in the video. Okay, I think we're gonna start. So you place your fingers there, and now it says now release. I will when I want to. Can't tell me what to do, okay? Jesus. Yeah, like I said, it's like 10:45-ish. So my parents are upstairs asleep. I actually woke up my mom accidentally. She just sounded pissed. So I'm probably not going to be talking during this part. So yeah, you can watch and stuff. Oh, great, my forehead is itchy. You know what? I'm going to cancel. No, do not save. I should probably get a screen recorder for this iPad. That would be a good idea. And then put it in there. But, you know, I can't afford that. But this is good as it's gonna get. So place it here. I don't want to release it. Okay. See, I kind of go slower when I'm timing myself. But when I'm timing myself and recording myself, no clue how this is gonna go. My record is like, what was it, like a minute 30? A little bit over that? It was a little bit over that. Wow, this minute's already 11 minutes long. Huh. Oh, didn't mean for it to be that long. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Oh, fuck. God damn it, it got stuck. That is what she said. I'm trying to go out of frame, which is really hard. It's gonna be my worst time. Yeah, what's that club called where they actually know I'm gonna be quiet? Crap, I'm going out of frame. Try not to. It's really hard. God, I'm tired. I can't go as fast as I was. Oh, Jesus. I'm probably done with this by now. It's gonna come out at probably at most 2 minutes. Or actually at least 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm not a speed cuber. I want to be a speed cuber. That's what I've been practicing. Come on. Please don't. Whew. Solved. What was that? A minute 35? Minute 35. Oh, yay, it went down. Oh. Oh, dang. That was my best time. I don't know if you guys can see this. That's just 10 minutes and 23 seconds. Or 32 seconds. No. Oh, sorry. No. 1 minute. And here, let's get this back. It says 1 minute and 35 seconds. 0.79. My second best was a minute 36.99. It's almost 37 seconds. I improved by at least a second. That's amazing. I'm proud of myself. And the first time I did it with this app, I got a minute 44.36. So now my mean or average is a minute and 39 seconds, 0.5. Whew, that was fun. So yeah, tell me if you guys want a video on how to solve it, and I will get that to you. Make sure you put it in the comments, please. I will leave my email open. Actually, I have 2 emails, but I'll leave my gaming email there in the description, and I guess I will also post the video of where no, I won't. But I will, once I post the video of how I solved it, I will add that link to the description. So, oh yeah, I'm also planning to make an intro to my videos, but, sorry, I was trying to fix it, but, I'm trying to use a thing called, Cinema 3D, no, Cinema 4D. I'm still learning how to use it, so, actually, I'm trying to make an intro with that. So yeah, just, guys, comment if you want, if you want to know how I did it, and like, and possibly just subscribe. That would make me very happy. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.